out to Macchia Winery in the Lodi area. We've been on a trip from Paso Robles. We took the 46 to the 41 to the 5, and then transitioned in Stockton to the 4 and then the 99. This took us quite a few hours to get here, but we're mid-afternoon and heading out to the winery where we're going to Harvest Host for the night. So, just wanted to show you a little bit of the road. Here's Peltier Road. This is Peltier Winery.
It took us about 5 hours to get here.
Yeah.
When they said 4 hours and stuff. So
Well, we had
we're always more, so that's good.
Yeah,
It's okay.
So we turn on something just called the road. So I think it's just going to...
It's just before Destin Road. It's Pelletier Road.
We're on
It's
Peltier Road.
0.4.
Here it is. Right here.
That's it.
Yeah, we just have to turn in the correct place. Sometimes there's service turns and sometimes different turns.
Gotta be. We're not quite there yet.
Yeah, auto winery entrance.
It's here. It's here. It's here. Here. And here.
Here we are. Just another one of these straight spots. So, Katie, give me the lowdown on Macchia Winery. What can you say about it so far?
I could say that I like the wine so far. I really like the tremendous Terral Dago.
Dago?
Yeah, Terral Dago, which is mostly an Italian wine, but it is grown here. It's grown in South America too, I think. But right now we have a Barbera. I don't like that as well.
I always find Barberas to be a little bit sharp. I like Primitivo better when you get into those kinds of wines. But they gave us 6 really nice pours here. The way it works is you pay $10 for 6 pours, and then if you buy 2 bottles, you get one of the tastings waived. So we just split a tasting, although the guy gave us a rather generous pour. So it's pretty much, we got 2 for 1 tasting, then it's going to be free if we buy a couple of bottles, and I'm inclined to buy at least 2. We might pick a third.
I like the second one a lot.
Yeah.
That had a lot. I was really itchy. It had a lot of tannins and pepper. It was big. Had a lot of oomph to it.